Are you serious? They would never believe me. I've never had it. I've never had a boyfriend right now. I don't have a boyfriend right now. So they would never believe me if I say that. Hey, Pat. Sorry. Does anyone of you want to cook rooster? Call one of your friends. No. I wouldn't do that if you won't give me something in return. I will not accept a challenge. Hi, Jad. I mean it. Hi, Sonic. Call one of your friends first. Okay, who would I call? I think. Wait, I just got my spare phone. Hi, B. Dino. Hi, Lalong. Ayun pa yun. What the? Grabe, pumunta ka lang dito para mag-ano ng pala. Ano pa ako? Grabe ka, be. Di ako payatot, no? Ayun, naglag na phone ko. I'm not payatot. Pataba. Okay, konti lang, okay. Sino ka, Day? Sino ka para pagsabihan ako? Thank you. F you. Grabe, sinabihan ako payatot. Hindi naman ako payatot, ah. Hello, Jack. Pretty ka naman kahit payatot, okay? Bumabaweb after, magsabi ng payatot. Call one of your friends, okay? Who would I call? Who would I call? Anyone? Anyone? Any two? Any three? Talino mo tingin ko. Di rin. Di rin natin masasabi kung ano. Okay. I only knows. Wait, I'll call someone. Ayaw mo pa mag-asawa. Ayaw ko pa, Day. You can hear it. Hello. Someone told me to call you. Ganda din. Ayun. It's already done. Ganun din naman. Ano? Sayang ang panahon. Ayoko po muna. Wag na muna. Pag di pa naman kaya yung lifestyle at yung buhay ko. Wag na lang. Hello, Weekend. Thank you. Pero hindi naman mag-asawa ka rin dito. Ano po naman tong prank? Eh, you're not giving me. I saw your Diaz. You will not give me something. I knew it.